We are currently putting in the drain field for a septic system, a conventional one. So basically, we build out a square. You see the flags, and the flags help us with the measurements. You know, there's another flag right there, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's supposed to be. Or let me see. Oh no, there's a flag over there and over there, and that's gonna be our little square area, you know? And we're gonna build that out, and then we're gonna put those pipes down in here, and then we're gonna connect all that right there. We got Brad in the cut, we got Mr. Thomas putting that work. You also got your boy in the cut using the leveler, you know? It tells you when you level, like, you're all going crazy right now, you know? Because you're doing shit right, you know what I'm saying? All right, quick update. Just finished most of the digging. We're putting the stands down. These are for the pipe because the pipe has to be a certain level off the ground. So we pick it up a little bit, and these are made to hold the pipe while he dumps the gravel on. And that's what we're about to get done right now. And then this is where you can measure the bottom of the tunnel, basically. So once the inspector comes, they'll measure that, and they'll see how low we are from the ground up, and then they'll measure the pipe. We already got the tank in. It's over there by the shovel, where the shovel's at. We got Mr. Thomas dumping the slag right here. Let's get out of the way. We're gonna do that for the whole thing, and we're about to connect those pipes and the other pipes, and then cover up. I'm currently putting on the stands to hold the pipe in together, so we could put the gravel in or the slag in. know, all we need to do is put that fabric on this side and do basically the same thing, and then wait for the inspector and then cover it all up. That's all she wrote for this one. Yeah? We are currently 85% finished. I say 85 because we're just waiting on the inspector, which she should be here in about 30 minutes or so. It's like 12:50. She said 1, but pretty sure she's gonna be a little bit longer. Anyways, those pipes, once the inspector comes, we take them out, and basically there's gonna be a hole, but Mr. Thomas is gonna drag all this dirt back into the hole, you know. So once the inspector comes, we're gonna take these pipes out, and we should be done. Mr. Thomas is gonna backfill everything, and then we should be done. So the inspector lady just came, she passed it, and now we're finishing up. He's patching up the trench, you know, and then we should be done after that. The only thing is left to pick up that bucket over there and then load up. So we're just finishing up, you know. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. Currently I'm gonna start uploading, or try to start uploading, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays around 5 o'clock p.m. Texas time.